What's going on, y'all? Back in the woods. I'm moving these feeders. As you can see behind me, I'm moving those, and I'm actually gonna convert it into a nesting box for the chickens because the deer are not eating out of it. I didn't see anything eating out of it. That bear cub. And the corn is still good, so it didn't get rained on or anything like that. As you can see, the corn is good, fresh. So I'm gonna set it up to where this can be a nice big nesting box for the chickens, and I think eventually I will take these and use these for our ducks. It'll be a nice size for a couple of ducks to be in here and be a good nesting box for them. But in the meantime, it's going in there with the chickens. And I actually need to, at some point, check out the perimeter just to make sure that I'm aware of any deer stands on the neighboring property. That way I could just be cautious as far as moving around in here, especially during rifle season. I don't want no surprises in here. Even so, I'm still gonna wear orange because I do not trust, people can, I thought it was a deer. And that can be an excuse to take you out, so. But yeah, I put out some more deer corn on the ground over here. And that's what I'll do from here on out. I'll just put it on the ground until I actually get another feeder, which I don't really care about that particular thing this season. Of course, you see my blind over there. And I'll get back in it during rifle season. I got a couple of shotguns I want to test out in that blind, but we'll see. But Lego. All right, y'all. I'm filling the trash can, which I'm converting. It was a deer feeder, but they didn't use it as that, so let's try for a nesting box. I've already put some in there, and I don't care if it's some blowing away. I don't care about that part. Now, putting it in here should eliminate them from digging it out as much as they've been doing. It's not open like the other one was. I do like this brand because it's not real dusty. It's not real dusty. Very windy. Like it might be and there's some clouds up here. So I think it's about to rain or storm or whatever. So I want to get this set up in one of the pens, and then I'm gonna try to go grab the other one that's at the back of the field and basically do the same process. Lego. So here's the setup. Put a little couple of dummy eggs in there. One there and then one rolled in the corner. Let's see if I can find it. There we go. So I'm gonna fix that to put it in the middle. And they're freaking out. It's like anything new, that they're unfamiliar with, they completely go crazy. And I'm gonna get something for these edges so where they won't get hurt on them. So I'm gonna fix that. I think they make like a rubber seal or something like that for that, but I'm gonna do that. But you see all of them bunched up over here, but they'll get used to it in a few, and they'll be all up in it. So all right, we got this one loaded up. I dumped the rest of that corn out. So the corn is dumped out. I changed the battery, and we ready to go. Let go. Time for them to start panicking. Anything new that they're unfamiliar with, they go absolutely insane. Now I'm about to move this container over there. Watch them fly everywhere. They're about to go absolutely insane. Watch this. I'll go slow too on lights, but they'll still go insane. Watch. Kill themselves, yo. They're insane. They're about to injure themselves. Lord. Y'all don't break your back, break your leg or something on all this jumping around and stuff y'all doing. Ain't nobody hurting y'all. The roosters are going crazy outside too. trying to go slow. I mean, they're gonna panic regardless. So. All right, that looks good. Ground's not even over here. Hopefully that'll be good. We'll see. Get that bucket, then I'll leave them alone. I left the tin overlapping on the back, and I also left space back here for them to walk or whatever. But we'll see how that works out. Let's see if they are, well, they're beside it. I haven't seen any of them get in it though, but they will eventually. I mean, chickens are pretty curious, nosy, however way you want to put it. But I wanted to change the blades on my lawnmower, but let's see if I have time to do that today. If so, I might film some of that. I'm not sure. Might be on a separate video, but we'll see. So I did bring some of the deer corn back from the feeder that was in the woods, and I spilled a good amount of it right there on the ground when I was putting them in the bags. The roosters probably will eat this, and probably the deer will come and eat it too. But I'm not worried about that. What's up, y'all? So I didn't notice this until just now, but look how the field is dying off. But over here by the light, and this light on this pole comes on and stays on all night. But look at the soybeans by the light on either side. It's totally green, totally lush. So it's kind of like it's getting 24 hours of sunlight. It's pretty cool. I didn't think it would be related to like the sunlight or light in general. I thought it would be like the weather as far as it's getting a little colder, but it seems like it has some direct effect as far as the amount of sunlight it's getting. I'm assuming anyways, that's why it's all green. And this is it's a light on that pole, so that's pretty cool. Pretty cool to see. I'm gonna give y'all a closer look at it. Look how green and lush this is. And look at the height on it and everything else. Now they're the same age. Same on this side. The same age, same environment as the other ones. But once you start getting away from that light, look. Check that out. It's dying or dead. But the other ones are alive and well. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Lego.